how to fix Instagram music not showing all songs. So if you want to fix Instagram music not showing all songs, then what you need to do is first, you just need to simply open up your Instagram application. After opening your Instagram, you need to go with the bottom middle, which has that plus icon. After that, just go and take a story. Once you've taken the image that you would like to upload on your story, you need to just go with the music icon, which is on the top right. And now you need to go and search for the person's, like, the artist name. For example, I'll just simply go with Justin Bieber. And once you've searched, you will have all of the songs with that artist, right? If their songs don't show up, it's usually for one of two reasons. First, exit the story and go to your profile. Discard it and then go with the bottom right, which has that profile section. Now, from the profile, you need to go with the top right, which has that 3 horizontal lines. And from the horizontal lines, go to the account center, which is on the top. Then go with sharing across profiles under connected experiences. If automatically shared to Facebook is on, turn it off. Some songs can't be shared to Facebook due to copyright restrictions. Now, the second way is go back to settings, scroll down to creator tools and controls, which is right here. Tap it and then choose switch account type, which will be on the bottom. Switch to a personal account. This often unlocks more songs that Instagram has the right to use. Just remember, even with these changes, not every song in the world will be available due to copyright agreements. That's how you can fix your Instagram music not showing all songs. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.